Welcome to I think this is episode 3. Yeah, it is episode 3 of building Wheela, our road trip buddy, our road trip app, our gas destination app, whatever you want to call it, but do call it Wheela. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. It's been a crazy week, a busy week. Got a lot of things accomplished. Got some certification, at least not some, but just one certification. Yeah, so but I'll tell you guys all about it later. But for now, I need to get dressed and I'm gonna go out and meet up with some friends for lunch. Some old co-workers, see what they've been getting into, and yeah, basically catch up. And once I'm done with that, I'll get back and then we can go through Wheela. We're gonna go and implement those APIs, and then I think that'll be it for this series. I'm excited to start the next one. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to that one. But I think I still may do a few more episodes of Wheela like later down when I start to integrate the map box, turn-by-turn navigation into it. But for now, I think after this one, we're going to go into the next build of the next project. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get back.
I like my seafood. I think they did it mostly just to force you guys to be there at a certain.
Alright, and now I'm back. It was nice. I'm stuffed. I had this every year around this time they have this thing called Burger Love, where I think restaurants all around the island serve up their own unique burgers. I think it's like 60 of them. Yeah, but the place where I went was called The Local, and their food was pretty good. I had some oysters. I was never a fan of oysters before, and then I went out with those guys one time, and they introduced me into it, and I got a liking to it, I guess. But it was pretty good. It was fun catching up. Lots of laughs, lots of stories for sure. Yeah, but so I guess we can get into this build now, and I can give you guys or show you guys what I've been doing and what I've been working. Oh, I said before, this was a long week. I did a course over the weekend and I became a Scrum Master. I'm Scrum Master certified, so I obtained my certification. That's one more thing to add to my portfolio. That was really nice. The instructor was pretty knowledgeable. He gave good information, good insight on like being a Scrum Master and the whole Agile principle and how it works and stuff like that. So that was pretty good. And like they broke us into different teams and stuff. And the team that I worked with, they were really nice people, really good. Yeah, so it was fun. I'm glad to be done with it, and I have that certification now. And it's just one of many that I plan to get before this year is out. Now we can get into working in the app. I just said that before, I'll say it again. Oh wait, no, I'm just playing. We can get into it. I'm getting this problem that, if you can see, the map is not appearing. So I need to figure out what's going on there. You may be wondering, why is it so dark? I like to code like with just minimal light. I don't like when it's too bright and there's too much light. For some reason it just annoys me and I can't focus. So that's why it's dark in here. When I recorded this, I thought my mic was on, but it wasn't. So I'll just have to do a bit of a voiceover for this right now. So this is Wheela. This is how it looks right now with everything implemented. Right now you can see on the screen everything is grayed out. None of the buttons are clickable. They're all disabled until we enter our first starting point. So right now we're going to enter Toronto for our starting location. Then we're going to go to, I think, Calgary for our destination. And once we get that, it'll show our starting point and destination. And as you can see now, the buttons are also enabled, so you can click on them. Once you click on this one, it'll show you how long it'll take you to get to your destination. It's just basically a little preview of your trip. And we can go ahead and select our vehicles now. So here we're selecting our make, our model, and if we look up to the top right corner, we're also saving what we've selected, just so we don't have to think about what we were selecting if we didn't choose the correct vehicle. So we select the year, and now as you can see, we can see all of our trip info. So we have a BMW A6 2020. It's going to take us 1 day and 8 hours, approximately 3,400 kilometers, and $242 for our trip. 242. Fun fact, I'm a Bahamian, so that's our area code, so that was pretty neat. But yeah, this is basically how it looks now. This is Wheela. This is what I've implemented. I've implemented the API calls, and we're actually fetching real gas price data as well. So all of this here is legit, which is nice. And yeah, so from here, next thing I'm going to do is start to implement the Mapbox API for our turn-by-turn navigation, and that video I'll record later down the road, but for now, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and next we're going to start a new series. Thank you guys for watching. This was a pretty exciting build, a fun build. It wasn't too difficult, but I still learned a lot along the way. And I'd just like to say thank you for watching. And the next video, we're going to start a new series, a new episode on a next project that I'm going to start now. And I think you guys are going to like it. I think it's going to be fun, a bit more challenging for sure, but I'm ready for it. And so yeah, I guess that's all I have for this one. Just thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.